What is up, guys? So today we were playing the hide and seek. If you guys didn't see my YouTube video, I commented saying I was gonna play hide and seek with my fans. As you can see, one of my fans over there is chasing another fan. We are basically competing for godlies. I sent out like a bunch of links. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 other people. We got a full server of people playing. I'm gonna give them a chance to win. I'm just gonna let him kill me. I think I'm the last person, so he can just kill me. Did he win? What? Oh, that was the last guy. Bruh. Oh, this is the best hiding spot, bro. Hopefully he doesn't find me here. Uh, nice. Okay, so. Did we get another fan joining in? Oh, I hear people dying. I hear people dying. I hear people dying. I hear people dying. Is my foot sticking out? No, you can barely see me. I think I'm good behind here. Oh, I heard someone die like super close to me. What the heck? Oh my god, he's so close, bro. Dude. This is actually a pretty good hiding spot. After this, I'm gonna have to find new hiding spots because you guys are gonna know like where I hide. Oh, another person died. Ooh, dude, nobody's won so far. This is actually really, really intense. Another person died near me. Good thing it hasn't been me dying, because that would be very unfortunate. Oh, my chat bubble's small, I like that. GG. I would be broke. You guys are morons. I'll give you a ghostly because I feel like it. Disney. You're sped, bro. Bro, chill. Finally, Jesus. Here, I'll give you a dentist because I like you a lot. So he won, giving him his stuff. Oh, he's, oh hell no. One, two. There's like 4 people left. Oof. Dude, there's 3 people left. Bro, there's somebody in there and he keeps missing them. Bro, he was right there and he missed him. Bro, check there. It's right. No, you keep missing it. I want to give you a godly, but you're not winning, bruh. Ah, Jesus. Is anyone gonna win the godlies? Come on. Free comment. Free comment for you. He gets a free slime gun. Yay! Yay, he gets free slime gun. Hope you guys enjoyed.